Hey y'all, I am here to share with you my project that I did for hashtag Artesian Journal Prompt 2024, hosted by Life with Patty. Now, if you've watched me before, you know that I took my journal apart, put these rings on it, which are a little big. I plan on maybe getting some smaller ones, but I also gessoed over the top of the front of my journal, and I hadn't decided how to decorate it, so I finally decorated it, and I'll share that with you before I show you my page. What I did was I painted this background. It's like a ultramarine blue, which is kind of a royal blue, and then this background is a masterboard that I made a while back on a catalog page. And this is a coloring page that I did, and I just fussy cut it out. And so I painted this, I glued this masterboard down, and then I glued my butterfly on. And then I traced around the lines so it would just stand out better. And then I covered it all in some gold glitter. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but then I thought that my masterboard needed a little help, so I did a little bit of stamping, which I wasn't all that crazy about. I thought it needed a little extra, so I just drew like some leaves and vines on here, and I think that really helped set it off. And then I went around this part and the edge of the book itself with a gold paint pen. So I really like this. Let me show you inside of the front cover. I also covered that. So inside, I just covered it with some green cardstock that I thought looked good with the front. And then I took the front of a calendar. I believe it's the same calendar this page came from. Excuse me, my air conditioner's about to pop on. But I just fussy cut around it a little bit and made a pocket so I could put my prompts in there. And so I went around that with gold as well. And then I found this scrapbook paper, which I forgot about, and someone gave it to me, but I've never found a project I wanted it to use it on, but I thought it looked nice on the back of my journal. And then I just used some more green cardstock for the inside, and I went around it with gold paint pen too. Okay, now that is it for my cover. Finally got that decorated. Oh, this keeps coming out. I have fixed this about 3 times, but these little things here are too thick, I guess. Maybe I should punch my hole bigger. I'll see about doing that, because I'm tired of fixing it today. But anyway, the prompt for this week was, I forgot to write it down. Moon and Stars. It was week 22. Let me keep that out and I'll write it down. So, I did a painting for mine. I just wanted to do a simple little painting. This is from last week, which is music. And then I just took my pages out and taped them together, and I did this simple painting. My moon and my stars. All these little white speckles are stars, and then these little bright ones are stars, and did some dots and some splattering white paint on here, and I did some clouds too. And so this is a painting that I saw on Step by Step Painting, and I did it on a live. So if you'd like to see the process I did for this, you can check out my live. I think it was the last live I did. Maybe, I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before. I haven't had much sleep, so I'm not really sure. But anyway, this is my spread for moon and stars, and hope you like it. And I can't wait to see what the next prompt is, and I will be seeing y'all again soon. Bye now.